We've spoken to a few guests over the past few weeks about how their industry is getting impacted by the global pandemic that's going on, obviously the coronavirus. We've seen some businesses get completely shuttered due to this, and we've also talked to some businesses and folks in the industry that are actually like doing very well. I'm curious, Ben. PepsiCo, where are you guys on the spectrum, and how is coronavirus affecting you?
So it's a really good point. Probably the latter. We're extremely busy, probably just as busy as before the kind of the pandemic. It's taught us a lot. We had to react very quick. So certainly week 1 and week 2, I was really out my comfort zone. I'm a very planful person, so then I was coming to work and having to react to mass amounts of absence, issues across the plant. Reliability is actually a good, but it was really kind of like, how are we going to do the work? How are we going to execute maintenance? We have a lot of priority work and legal compliance that we need to do, and it was just, we needed to make decisions fast. And that, for me, I am very planful. It pushed me out of comfort zone, but it's made the team so strong. My engineering team, I have a lot of high risk individuals that will now be off for 3 months, which is a struggle. But so they're working from home. A lot of my team are working from home. I'm still at the base. So even that brings challenges as well, but it's just brought us so close together as a team. I'm seeing some really good stuff come out of it. I actually really enjoy how things are changing with the team and shaping up.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we've talked to a few of our, few people in the industry, and the folks that are still, let's call it, deemed essential and do have to, obviously maintain the manufacturing plant. You guys are basically doing more with less people.